One of the biggest fears that people have about filing bankruptcy is this. My name is Veronica Batt. I'm a bankruptcy and a debt attorney in the state of Florida. People ask me all the time, is everybody going to find out that I filed for bankruptcy? You know what? People are actually afraid of the ones closest to them finding out that they filed bankruptcy. Yeah, really. Which is insane to me, right? Because those closest to us should be the ones that are rooting for us and most supportive of us. I get it, because we see that all the time in other things too, right? The honest answer to that question is no. And here's why. There's no announcement. Your employer is not going to automatically find out unless you had a pre-existing garnishment, in which case they'll be very happy they don't have to deal with that anymore. And your family and your friends are not going to get a big text blast or an email that you filed bankruptcy. Yes, bankruptcy is technically a public court filing and is public record, but only people that are notified that you're filing bankruptcy are your creditors and the court. And that's it. Here's something that I wanted to look up because I honestly didn't know the answer to this. It is estimated that over their lifetime, about 1 in 10 Americans is going to file bankruptcy. That's about 10% of people. So chances are somebody that you see and walk by every day has filed bankruptcy and you have no idea. And why is that? Because you didn't get a text notification. You didn't get a social media blast. And you didn't get a letter in the mail that they did. And you're not checking court records. And guess what? Most likely they're not either. And honestly, I don't know anybody except for bankruptcy attorneys that are. Even a lot of other attorneys wouldn't know how to look it up. The point here is bankruptcy is not something that everybody is going to find out about. But what they are going to see is that you're less stressed, you're happy again, you're moving forward in your life, and you are thriving. That's definitely something you want to show off. So if the fear of other people finding out is what's been holding you back from getting information or from filing bankruptcy, please let this be your sign. Yeah, it is a public record, but is anybody really going through court files and court documents just to figure out whether you filed bankruptcy? I doubt it.